Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you're probably wondering how to view your close friends list on Facebook in 2025. With all the updates Facebook has rolled out, managing your social connections has never been simpler or more important for curating your feed. Whether you're trying to keep tabs on your inner circle or just tweaking your privacy settings, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. You can do this on the mobile app or the website. Both options work seamlessly. Start by opening the Facebook app on your smartphone or heading to facebook.com on your computer. Step 1. Once you're in, tap or click on your profile picture in the top right corner. This will take you straight to your profile page. Step 2. On your profile, scroll down a bit until you spot the Friends tab. It's usually right there, front and center. Step 3. Click or tap on Friends to open the full list. Now, look for the Close Friends option. It might be listed directly or under a sub-menu like Lists or Custom Friends. Step 4. Select Close Friends to view the list. You'll see all the people you've added, and you can even edit it from here if needed. For example, if someone new deserves a spot, just search for their name and add them. If you can't find it right away, don't panic. Head over to your Settings and Privacy menu, accessible from the drop-down under your profile icon. Go to Friends and Followers, then Friends Lists, and you'll find Close Friends there. This is also a good spot to double-check your privacy settings to ensure your list stays private. One quick tip. Your Close Friends list helps Facebook prioritize posts from these folks in your feed, making your experience more personalized. It's a fantastic tool for staying connected without the overwhelm. And there you have it. That's how you view your close friends list on Facebook in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.